The world of space exploration has witnessed a number of remarkable breakthroughs in 2023 that are expanding our understanding of the cosmos and unearthing new wonders beyond our solar system. In this video, we summarized the most remarkable space discoveries in 2023 that you should know about. Let's get started then. Expanding the exoplanet universe. In August, astronomers wowed the scientific community by announcing the detection of 6 new exoplanets, bringing the total number of confirmed exoplanets to 5,502. These newly discovered worlds, ranging from Earth-sized to Jupiter-sized, orbit a wide variety of planets. These stars indicate a broad potential for habitable environments beyond our own solar system. Nearly 31 years ago, in 1992, the first exoplanets were confirmed when scientists detected twin planets, Poltergeist and Phobetter orbiting pulsar PSRB 1257 plus 12. The summary of the discoveries is as follows. 1. HD 36384b is a super-Jupiter with a mass of approximately 6.6 Jupiter masses, orbiting a giant M star. The planet orbits its star HD 36384 at a distance of about 1.3 astronomical units. It orbits a star so massive that it has a clock nearly 40 times the size of our Sun. It is one of the largest exoplanets ever discovered. 2. TOI 198b is a potentially rocky planet, orbiting at the innermost edge of the habitable zone around its star, an M-dwarf. TOI 198b is classified as a super-Earth, meaning it is larger and more massive than our own planet. It has a mass of approximately 2.67 Earth masses and a radius of 1.2 Earth radii. This makes it significantly denser than Earth and potentially indicates a rocky composition with an iron-rich core. However, even though we call it a superworld, it is not that super because it is very close to the Sun. While Mercury's distance from the Sun is 0.39 AU, the distance of this planet to its star is 0.1 AU. As a result, TOI 198b is exposed to intense radiation and heat from its star. Also, a year on this planet lasts 10 days. However, scientists think that this planet can maintain its own atmosphere due to its size and density. If it has no atmosphere, it probably looks like a more parched version of Mercury. 3. TOI 2095b and TOI 2095c are large, hot super-Earths orbiting an M-dwarf, a common star in the same system. They're close enough to their star that they probably look more like Venus than Earth. The TOI 2095 system is located only about 45 light-years from Earth, making it one of the closest known systems with potentially habitable exoplanets. 4. TOI 4860b is a Jupiter-sized gas giant, or hot Jupiter, orbiting an M-dwarf star. It is one of the closest hot Jupiters ever discovered. It orbits very close to its star, which is unusual for a planet of its size. It is thought to be a very young planet, only 10 million years old. The equilibrium temperature is thought to be around 1000 degrees Celsius. It is thought to be a very volatile planet with a thick atmosphere, possibly composed of hydrogen and helium. It completes its orbit every 1.52 days, meaning it is very close to its star. While it's extremely rare for giant planets like this to orbit so close to Sun-like stars, it's even rarer for them to orbit M-dwarf stars like the one here. And 5. MWC 758c is a giant exoplanet orbiting a very young star. This star still has a protoplanetary disk, a rotating disk of gas and dust that can surround a young star. Spiral arms were found carved into the protoplanetary disk of its star. It is one of the first exoplanets discovered in a system where the star has a protoplanetary disk. Probing the deep space with fast radio bursts. October marked the detection of the farthest fast radio burst ever recorded, an enigmatic phenomenon originating from a galaxy located approximately 4.6 billion light-years from Earth. This remarkable discovery by an international team of astronomers sheds light on the mysterious nature of FRBs and their potential as tracers of cosmic events. Revealing Jupiter's hidden features. NASA's engineering marvel, the James Webb Space Telescope, revealed a never-before-seen feature in Jupiter's atmosphere in October. This discovery, a high-speed jet stream spanning over 3,000 miles, or 4,800 kilometers, adds to our understanding of the dynamic processes shaping Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere, unraveling the mysteries of planet formation. In November, a groundbreaking revelation shed light on the mysterious process of planet formation. Scientists have revealed that planets arise from clumps of dust and gas that break out of a star's disk during its formation, providing an important piece of the puzzle in understanding planetary evolution. A look into the distant past, the Farthest Barred Spiral Galaxy. November brought the detection of the most distant barred spiral galaxy ever observed, a majestic Milky Way-like structure located approximately 10 billion light-years from Earth. This extraordinary discovery offers a glimpse into the early universe and the formation of galaxies. Discovery of transient objects in galaxy cluster MAX 0416. A time-lapse study of the MAX 0416 galaxy cluster, located about 4.3 billion light-years from Earth, led to the discovery of 14 transient objects in November. Believed to be supernovae or active galactic nuclei, these mysterious objects provide valuable information about the dynamic nature of galaxies. The most distant galaxies ever observed. In November, astronomers used NASA's James Webb Space Telescope to explore the second and fourth most distant galaxies ever observed. These galaxies are located in the region of space known as the Pandora Cluster. Detection of gravitational waves coming from emerging neutron star binary system. In October 2023, scientists detected gravitational waves coming from emerging neutron star binary system. This was the first time gravitational waves were detected from this type of object. This discovery could help us learn more about the nature of neutron stars and the formation of black holes. Evidence of dark matter in the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists have found new evidence of dark matter in the Milky Way galaxy. Dark matter, as you know, is a mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe, and until now there was no evidence of it other than gravity. The new study suggests that dark matter is distributed in a halo around the Milky Way galaxy. For years, physicists have known that there is a mysterious excess of energy at the center of the Milky Way in the form of gamma rays, the most energetic waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. These rays are typically produced by the hottest, most extreme objects in the universe, such as supernovae and pulsars. Gamma rays are found throughout the disk of the Milky Way, and physicists mostly understand their source. But there is a glow of gamma rays at the center of the Milky Way, known as a galactic central excess, or GCE, with properties that are difficult for physicists to explain, given what physicists know about the distribution of stars and gas in the galaxy. There are two leading possibilities for what could be causing this excess: a population of high-energy, rapidly spinning neutron stars known as pulsars, or more tantalizingly, a condensed cloud of dark matter colliding with itself and producing copious amounts of gamma rays. Discovery of a new type of exoplanet. Astronomers have discovered a new type of exoplanet that is unlike any planet we've seen before. The planet is called K218b and is located in the habitable zone of its star. This means it could potentially support liquid water, a key ingredient for life on the planet's surface. Evidence of water has been found on Europa. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is thought to have an underground ocean. In 2023, scientists found evidence of water clouds emerging from Europa's surface, suggesting that the ocean may be accessible to future probes. The icy moons of Saturn and Jupiter may harbor life. Enceladus and Ganymede, two icy moons of Saturn and Jupiter, respectively, are thought to have underground oceans that could support life. In 2023, scientists found new evidence supporting this hypothesis. This suggested that these satellites could be promising targets for future exploration. New and interesting discoveries were made about black holes in 2023. 1. Cosmic symphony of gravitational waves. In June, scientists announced the detection of a cosmic symphony of massive gravitational waves produced by pairs of black holes merging in distant galaxies. These waves, first predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, provide direct evidence for the existence of black holes and offer unique research into their nature and interactions. 2. Black holes eat up matter faster than thought. Contrary to previous assumptions, new simulations show that black holes consume matter much faster than previously thought. This finding implies that black holes are more efficient producers of energy than we thought and play a crucial role in the formation of some of the brightest objects in the universe. 3. Sleeping supermassive black hole at the heart of the Milky Way. An international team of scientists has revealed that Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, emerged after a long dormant period about 200 years ago. This finding suggests that supermassive black holes may undergo periods of inactivity and reawaken, which could affect the evolution of their host galaxies. The oldest black hole. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected light from a black hole that formed just 600 million years after the Big Bang, making it the oldest black hole ever seen. This discovery helps scientists understand how black holes formed in the early universe. Perseverance rover found organic molecules on Mars. The Perseverance rover made a groundbreaking discovery on Mars: organic molecules, the building blocks of life. This finding suggests that Mars may have once been habitable and capable of supporting life. Yes, this was the latest space-related discoveries in 2023. For other space explorations, you can check out the top 50 unique space exploration videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.